Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel, The Forgotten Lore. Friends, today I am in search of this Abutilon indicum plant for today's preparation. So now I have found out a plant. This plant, there are two Abutilon species growing adjacent to each other. One is Abutilon indicum and the other one is Abutilon hirtum. Abutilon indicum is the yellow color flowering variety. Abutilon hirtum is also produces yellow color flower, but at the middle of the corolla it will have red color pigmentation. So both the species are unique and both have the same medicinal value. So now I have collected few twigs, few parts of the plant for today's preparation. That is, I am going to prepare kashayam or decoction, tutti kashayam or Abutilon decoction to drink. Friends, today I have collected this Abutilon plant for our preparation. Here you can see I have collected two species of this Abutilon. This one is the yellow one. This is known as Abutilon indicum, and the other one, here you can see the flower, it is reddish in color. This is known as Abutilon hirtum. Both abutilons have the same medicinal property. So today we will prepare different kinds of dishes from these plants. While collecting any green leaf for our preparation, we have to be very careful about these pests. The caterpillars, they will be there. So we have to clean it before any preparation. This is the beautiful yellow color flowering variety, that is Abutilon indicum. So we have to remove all these things. Before starting the preparation of the dishes by using these Abutilon plants, let us discuss about these two species, that is Abutilon indicum and Abutilon hirtum. So what are the differences between these two plants and other external morphological features, everything we will see in today's video. So simply we can find out from the color. So this is yellow in color. This is the normal Abutilon indicum. So these are the buds. So by using the buds also we will prepare some dishes. They have culinary uses. That is the reason I have collected both of these plants. So this is yellow in color. You can see now friends, they are bright yellow. This is the normal Abutilon indicum. And the other one which has the reddish tinge. This one. See friends. This has the reddish tinge. Is it not? See. See the difference. This is reddish and this is yellowish. Both are the same Abutilon. But this is Abutilon indicum. This is Abutilon hirtum. In Tamil, both are known as tutti. Both are edible. Both of the plants have the same health benefits to us. So let us discuss about these two species today. Friends, this is the well-known Abutilon indicum plant. That is tutti plant. Commonly it is known as Indian mallow. So this plant is producing golden yellow color flowers. Today we are going to see the video in which we are going to compare two species of this. So in the same plant backside one reddish tinge flower I have shown, you have seen, that is of another species. So this yellow color flower producing species is known as Abutilon indicum. This plant produces both flower as well as buds in yellow color only. This is Abutilon indicum plant. Even the texture of the leaves of both the species are the same velvety, like velvety structure only, texture only they have. So the fruits are also identical. Friends, this is the fruit of Abutilon indicum plant. Both the plants have the same fruit structure, but here this is open as such a big lotus has bloomed. Look at this. But with the help of the fruits, we cannot differentiate these two plants. Friends, this is another species of Abutilon, which is known as Abutilon hirtum. This Abutilon hirtum is also producing the same yellow color flowers. Externally without flowers, if you see Abutilon hirtum and Abutilon indicum, we cannot find out any difference. Only with the help of flower buds or the mature closed flowers, we can identify the color. The color of the buds are reddish. Only with the help of we can find out these two different species. Both the species have the same chromosome number, that is 2n is equal to 42. So there is no other difference between these. The leaves are the same. Both of the species, they are affected with leaf mosaic virus, and even the fruits are the same, and they have the drooping buds. So externally, without the flower, the corolla, at the middle of the corolla, they will have the red coloration, red pigmentation is there in this Abutilon hirtum flower. So this is the only difference between Abutilon hirtum and Abutilon indicum. This flower is very attractive than that Abutilon indicum, because this Abutilon flowers, they have the red coloration at the middle of the corolla. Even the fruits are the same. The leaves, venation of the leaf, everything, the shape, structure, leaf margin, all are identical with these two species. So just to make my friends to understand between these two plants, I am posting this video, because some of my friends are asking me that they are getting confused between these two plants. No need of confusion, but these two plants are different species of the same genus. They have the same medicinal properties. Both are edible, both are medicinal, both of them have high medicinal value. So whenever you get this kind of plant also, we can eat, friends. Similar to that Abutilon indicum, all the preparations we can make from this. And particularly one species of monkey, which is known as vervet monkey, they are completely depending on this flower. They inhabit where this Abutilon hirtum is abundantly growing. This Abutilon hirtum plant also has the same branching pattern as Abutilon indicum. See friends, this is Abutilon hirtum plant. See, look at the color of the flower bud. It is reddish in color. Like this only we can distinguish between these two plants. Friends, this is the fruit of Abutilon indicum plant. Both the plants have the same fruit structure, but here this is open as such a big lotus has bloomed. Look at this. But with the help of the fruits, we cannot differentiate these two plants. Friends, these fruits are made up of many number of seeds joined together like a wheel. So this wheel shaped wheel like seeds, when mature they become like a lotus like structure. So in both the species the same structure is there. At maturity both the fruits of both the species they split open and they disperse their seeds in a similar way. Friends, I have washed this one. So now I am going to make a decoction from this. I am going to use all the parts of this. I am going to use the stem, flower buds, flowers, leaf, everything I am going to use. So for this we have to cut them into small pieces. I have cut it and I have put it in the vessel. This actually this stem it is very fibrous, highly fibrous. It doesn't matter, we are going to make decoction only. You know friends, why today I am making this one? From today morning I am little bit busy in the sun, so I got a headache. So this is a very good remedy for headache and it has antipyretic property. That is the reason today I am going to prepare this one. Let us start the preparation. With this I am going to add 1.5 cups of water and it has to boil till it get reduced to 1 cup of decoction. So after that we can add salt and pepper. I have added water. I am switching on the stove. We have to wait till it starts to boil until it gets reduced to 1 cup of water. Friends, it has started to boil nicely, but it has to get reduced to half now. We will wait. Now this is ready friends. See the color of the water has changed into golden yellow color. Now I will filter this. I am going to add only salt today. I am going to taste this now. Friends, thank you for watching this video patiently. Whenever you get time, try to watch all my videos and kindly give your valuable comments and feedback in the discussion and comment section so that I can improve my presentation. Kindly encourage me by subscribing and liking my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye. Best wishes.